Recently, I came across this one Instagram reel. This is a Japanese house wherein CCTV cameras recording was there on the reel. A father and a mother, both of them are sitting with a book. Mother is sitting on the ground and she's reading a book. Father came, he picked up one book and he started reading a book. Now they have a child of my son's age, about 4.5 years old. So you know what? Surprisingly, he also brought his book and started just flipping up the pages like this. Another page, part 2. Mother is watching TV, father is using mobile, and they have kept books in front of the child. What could you expect? Definitely he did not study at all. He did not touch the mobile. He also wanted the same thing. What we can understand by this is children don't listen to what we say. They just do what we do. If our children are mobile addicted, we are the only reason for that. Now it is up to us how we want our children to be in their life. They are just the replica of parents. Thank you.